માં હર્ષની લહેર વ્યાપી ગઈ છે. આજની ઘડી રણિયામણી. આજે જ્યારે આપણે સૌ આપણી કોલેજનો 62મો વાર્ષિક મહોત્સવ ઉજવવા માટે ભેગા થયા છે, ત્યારે હું સમગ્ર BJVM પરિવાર વતી આપનું હર્ષ ઉલ્લાસભેર સ્વાગત કરું છું. Prayer is the best antivirus of world, which protects windows of our life from virus of sorrow and hopelessness. So there is need to update our antivirus system daily. So let us all together activate and update our antivirus system through prayer. I invite Tanvi, Sonal, Nikita, Sanjana and Divya for prayers. The word of prayers are: ओ शारदा तू आओ मारा जीवन में.
बोलो बोलो.
Vai folha. E costura ambiental.
થેન્ક યુ ગર્લ્સ. થયું છે આગમન તમારું તો આંખથી આવકારીશું, પ્રથમ નજરોથી પછી દિલથી સત્કારીશું. તમારા આગમનના ફૂલો અમે હૃદય સાથે ચાંપી મસ્તક નમાવીને ખુશ્બુ દિલથી પ્રસરાવીશું. ઉપસ્થિત મહાનુભાવોને શબ્દ સુમનથી આવકારી પરિચય કરાવશે બહુમુખી પ્રતિભા ધરાવતા યુવાન દીર્ઘદ્રષ્ટા આચાર્ય ડોક્ટર કક્કડ સાહેબ.
Good afternoon everyone. In the 62nd annual function of BJ Vanijya Mahavidyalaya, I welcome the President of the function and Chairman of Charutar Vidya Mandal, Dr. C.L. Patel sir, Chief Guest of the day, Sri Hiren Vakil Bhai, the ex-alumni, the alumni of BJ Vanijya Mahavidyalaya, Principal R.B. Patel, Secretary of Charutar Vidya Mandal, Principal S.M. Patel sir, Principal Secretary of Charutar Vidya Mandal, and Principals of various colleges, my dear friends and students. Let me introduce the guest on the dais. I'll start with the President of the function, Dr. C.L. Patel sir. Dr. C.L. Patel is truly an inspiring, dynamic and a multifaceted personality. Dr. Chotubhai Lalubhai Patel, who has turned 77 last April, spent his formative years in rural environment charged with nationalism and Gandhian ideals. After having his education as electrical and mechanical engineer, he served Gujarat Electricity Board for 20 years, where he is still remembered as an innovative, honest and upright executive engineer. Following the footsteps of Bhai Kaka and Bhikha Bhai, who were inspired by Sardar Patel to establish Charutar Vidya Mandal and Vallabh Vidyanagar, Dr. Patel joined CVM family initially as Joint Secretary when Dr. H.M. Patel was at the helm of affairs. He was elected to the position of its chairman after H.M. Patel's demise. As chairman since 1994 of the largest education trust in Gujarat, at present he heads 45 institutions providing education from KG to PG to 35,000 plus students and include the state-of-art research and other service centers. Dr. Patel has visited various developed countries like USA, UK, France, Germany, Netherlands, Japan and Australia to study the latest trends in academics and research. Dr. Patel has established several educational as well as research institutions having best infrastructure. Thus, in a short span of just one decade, this visionary personality has not just created several new institutions but has also become the Vishwakarma of New Vallabh Vidyanagar by founding an entire educational township. He has made Charutar Vidya Mandal the hub of higher and technical education with a competitive edge needed in today's globalized world. He has thereby emerged as a stalwart in the field of education in India. He is rightly called the Shilpi of modern education since he is the pioneer of self-finance institutions in Gujarat. In recognition of his exemplary commitment and approach making contribution to the field of higher education, he was conferred upon the degrees of Doctor of Letters and Doctors of Literature respectively by Sardar Patel University in 2001 and Anand Agriculture University in 2005. He is recipient of many other awards including Charutar Ratna, Sardar Patel Award, Shalin Manav Ratna, etc. Under his able and visionary leadership, Charutar Vidya Mandal has invested in educational projects more than 250 crores. He has further plans to take up the new projects worth rupees 500 crores to make Vallabh Vidyanagar and New Vallabh Vidyanagar one of the most vibrant and high-tech educational centers of the world. It is a pleasure of BJVM family to have such personality with us today afternoon. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of BJVM family. Today's chief guest, Sri Hiren Vakil, did his Bachelor in Commerce from BJ Vanijya Mahavidyalaya and Master in Commerce from Sardar Patel University, Vallabh and was gold medalist at both the levels. Later, he did a MBA in Human Resource Management from University of Dallas, Texas, USA. He has worked for reputed organizations like EDS Corporation, Goodness, Nerolac Paints, CEAT, RPG Group, and some others. Currently, he is a corporate trainer and management consultant based in Mumbai. He is associated with several reputed companies and management associations. He is a non-motivational speaker. Some of his inspirational speeches are available in the form of VCDs and DVDs. He has trained thousands of individuals and positively contributed to the ways of thinking, behavioral, and skills. He has been a guest faculty to many management institutions. He carries with him a rich practical experience. We welcome you, sir.